Welcome to the course Variations in Management. Today we start Chapter 1, Organization and their Stakeholders. Our first lesson is Organization and its Characteristics. First of all, let's take a look at the concept of organization. An organization is a social arrangement which pursues collective goals, which controls its own performance, and which has a boundary separating it from its environment. So we see there are four keywords in this definition. What do they mean? Social arrangement refers to any set of persons who interact with others as constrained by a common understanding of the role each person plays and the information they exchange with others. For example, there are some people play role as leaders, some people as staff or workers. They have different duties, but if people interact with one another, they are going to learn something and work effectively. Every organization needs to define its own goals based on their vision and mission. What kind of organization do they aspire to be? How do they want to become in the future? What do they want to gain after 10 years, 20 years, or 50 years? Their goals will drive them to set out strategy and plan. Based on that, they control their activities and performance. Organizational boundary is a border, a line that marks the limits of an area separating it from its environment. Boundaries can be physical or social. Physical boundaries can be a wall, a door, a river, row of tea, etc. Social boundaries can be rules, regulations, codes of conduct that individuals need to follow and comply to distinguish individuals inside from outside of organization. There are many types of organization. Some of popular organization can be defined as commercial organizations, non-for-profit organizations, public sector, charity, trade union, non-government organizations, or communicational organization. According to the concept of organization, we find that the most important characteristic of all organizations is performance, whatever the type. Organizations all need to have policies, plans, and processes in place to be effective, thereby achieving the standards as set out goals. Next, they need to raise their standards more and more for organizational growth. They should to pay attention to specialize in one activity in order to achieve the highest efficiency in the shortest time. Moreover, organizations contain formal documented systems and procedures which enable them to control what they do. Besides, organizations obtain inputs such as materials, facilities, labor, and processes them into outputs as products which they sell in the market. So some reason why organizations exist can be identified below. Each individual has its own limitation, maybe physical or intellectual. So combining many individuals to perform one task will overcome people's individual limitations because they can accumulate and share knowledge as well as they will be specialized. Finally, the result will be save time and every people will enable. Therefore, organizations can achieve results which individuals cannot achieve by themselves. According to type of organizations, differences between organizations are identified in ownership, control, activities, profit or non-profit orientation, legal status, size, such as finance and technology. We have just learned about the concept and characteristics of organizations. Have fun studying and see you in the next video.